Good afternoon and Happy New Year. The following is the 2014 Climate Year in Review from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, covering the Northern Rockies. Last year saw average temperatures slightly above normal in western Montana and above normal in central Idaho. Lewiston, Idaho's average temperature was 54.6 degrees, which is right around 1.5 degrees above normal. The following is a map depicting the average temperature departure from normal across the western part of the United States. If you follow the arrow, you can see California and Nevada were well above normal, while as you get into western Montana, temperatures were at or near normal, and in central Idaho, slightly above normal temperatures. The hottest days of 2014 in western Montana all occurred on August 11th, where the highest temperature in Kalispell last year was 94. It was 98 in Missoula. And in Butte, the highest temperature for the year was 89. This actually denotes the first time Butte has not reached 90 degrees since 1993. Over in Lewiston, Idaho, the highest temperature was 106 on July 29th. Coldest days of the year for 2014. 2014 saw one of the biggest Arctic outbreaks since 2004, and it occurred on February 6th. The overnight lows in Kalispell and Missoula were both 23 degrees below zero, while in Butte the lowest temperature was 36 degrees below zero on February 6th. During this event, there are many areas in the Seeley-Swan Valley, for example, that recorded temperatures of 40 degrees below zero. How about precipitation for 2014? Well, it was above normal in all of the Northern Rockies. In fact, in Kalispell, the precipitation recorded was 20.54 inches, which is 3.5 inches above normal. This is the actual wettest year since 1996. They even had a storm on June 17th and 18th that recorded 2.9 inches over 2 days, which is the wettest event on record. These data goes back to 1893. And over in Butte and Lewiston, Idaho, precipitation was also above normal. This map denotes precipitation across the western United States. Once again, it was pretty dry in California and Nevada, but as you go further north, it was pretty wet up in the most of Montana and the northern Rockies, including central Idaho. How about snowfall amounts for last winter season of 2013-2014? Well, Missoula recorded 65.8 inches of snow, which happens to be its fourth highest snowfall on record. Kalispell recorded 71.7 inches of snow, which is its second highest snowfall on record. And finally, some of our notable weather events of 2014. Once again, the coldest outbreak occurred since 2004 in late January and in February, where there was a couple events where widespread temperatures of 20 to 40 degrees below zero occurred, with wind chills anywhere from 30 to 60 degrees below zero. February saw a very snowy month. 40.2 inches fell in Missoula, which is the second most on record for the month of February. There was also a lot of issues with avalanches in February and early March. One of the most devastating avalanches occurred in Mount Jumbo in Missoula, Montana. Some other notable weather events in 2014. There was a record-setting rain event across all of northwest Montana in June. This is the one where Kalispell had 2.9 inches in 2 days, which is an all-time record. Record rainfall also fell the 1st of November this year. Missoula, Montana recorded 0.75 of an inch of rainfall, all which occurred in about 6 or 7 hours. This is the highest daily precipitation of 2014 and the highest for November 1st. One of the earliest Arctic outbreaks occurred in western Montana this year in the second week of November. Temperatures plummeted to below zero on November 10th, which is awful early for this time of year. Well, thank you, and I hope everyone has a great 2015. For further weather and climate information, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/Missoula or visit us on Twitter at NWS Missoula or Facebook.